Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Bike, as we said, is a completely new brand, which is TVS RONIN. So it's a modern retro motorcycle which we have launched today, and it is for the people, it's for those new set of riders who are looking for spontaneity, who are looking for new kind of ride, who are looking for something different. They don't want to buy into something which is already available, and as I said, they don't want to be categorized either into a classic or a sports or a super sports category. They want something what they are, and they want to get on a motorcycle which will define them. So that is where this bike is very good. So it's loaded with good connected technology. So you've got a smart connect, so you've got riding modes into it. You can have riding modes to have a very enjoyable ride. It comes in 6 different colorways. It's a 225cc motorcycle. So more about the riding comfort of this motorcycle is the stance that you get on the motorcycle is very straight. So you go longer distance on the motorcycle without having any fatigue. And not only the motorcycle which we have launched, we have launched it with a set of accessories and apparel, which is Ronin specifically. So racing is a Ronin world what we have created. And with this product, we are really making our premium segment much stronger. We were very strong with Apache. This will add up to the portfolio of premium within the Apache, within the offering from TVS.